This tiny wooden stick costs almost nothing. Most people use it once and throw it away. But factories make millions from it every day. Every toothpick begins in the forest. Tall trees grow slowly to provide strong wood. Nature supplies the raw material. Selected trees are carefully cut down. Logs are transported to factories. This is where production truly begins. Heavy trucks carry tons of wood daily. The factory receives raw material for production. This wood will become millions of toothpicks. Massive saws cut logs into boards. Precision ensures every piece is usable. Boards are ready for further processing. Fresh wood contains natural moisture. Drying chambers remove excess water. Dry wood is easier to shape. Workers inspect each board carefully. Damaged wood is removed. Only strong boards continue forward. Machines slice boards into thin strips. Thousands of strips are made every minute. This is the first step toward toothpicks. Thin strips are cut into tiny sticks. Each piece will become a toothpick. Automation allows massive output. Machines shape sharp tips on both ends. Every toothpick is perfectly pointed. Precision ensures consistent quality. Polishing machines smooth the wooden sticks. Each toothpick becomes glossy and uniform. This ensures safety and quality for users. Wood dust is carefully removed. Clean toothpicks are ready for inspection. Hygiene is crucial in food-related products. Workers inspect every batch carefully. Broken or uneven sticks are discarded. Only perfect toothpicks continue production. Machines count thousands of toothpicks accurately. Uniform bundles are formed for packaging. Automation ensures speed and precision. Bundles are packed into small boxes. Each box is ready for sale. Packaging keeps toothpicks organized and clean. Machines add labels to each box. Branding helps customers recognize quality. Labels also show production details. Boxes are packed into larger cartons. Cartons are ready for distribution. Efficiency ensures fast delivery. Cartons are stored neatly in warehouses. Thousands of boxes await shipment. Organization keeps operations smooth. Delivery trucks are loaded efficiently. Toothpicks are ready for stores nationwide. Distribution keeps the market supplied. Trucks carry toothpicks across the country. Stores and restaurants receive daily supply. A tiny stick reaches millions of customers. Thousands of toothpicks are produced every day. Automation keeps production running non-stop. The scale is much bigger than it seems. Machines count millions of sticks precisely. Every box is carefully tracked. Nothing goes to waste. Delivery trucks travel across the country. Markets and restaurants depend on this supply. Distribution keeps the business growing. Boxes arrive on store shelves quickly. Customers pick them up without thinking twice. A simple product becomes a daily necessity. A single toothpick costs almost nothing to make. Selling millions multiplies the profit. Small products create massive revenue. Factories expand as demand increases. Production lines grow larger every year. A tiny stick fuels a powerful business. Workers and machines operate together. Automation increases efficiency and speed. Teamwork drives continuous production. Toothpicks are shipped to markets worldwide. A simple wooden stick becomes global. Demand never seems to stop. Even the smallest ideas can build empires. A simple stick created a huge industry. Consistency makes the difference. From forest to factory to customers everywhere, tiny sticks generate enormous profits. This is the power of simple businesses.